Keep your smile radiant with this advanced dental tool designed for deep cleaning. The best ultrasonic tooth cleaner removes plaque, tartar, and stains with precision, giving you a dentist-like clean right at home, safe, effective, and easy to use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Waterpik Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner. The Waterpik Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner, specifically the Sonic Fusion Professional model, is a true innovation in the world of oral hygiene. It combines two essential dental tools, a powerful sonic toothbrush and a clinically proven water flosser, into one seamless device. This integration allows users to brush, floss, or do both simultaneously, offering a complete oral care solution at the touch of a button. With up to 2x more effectiveness than traditional brushing and flossing methods, this unit is especially beneficial for individuals seeking to improve gum health and eliminate plaque buildup efficiently. The toothbrush features a built-in 2-minute timer with 30-second pacers to ensure thorough cleaning of all quadrants of the mouth. Meanwhile, the water flosser delivers 10 adjustable pressure settings and 60 seconds of continuous water flow from a generous 16-ounce reservoir. Its rechargeable handle fits neatly into the base, eliminating clutter while offering convenience. Waterpik's reputation is further reinforced by being the first water flosser brand to receive the American Dental Association or ADA seal of acceptance. The Sonic Fusion comes complete with 2 flossing brush heads, compact and full-size, 2 brush head covers, a travel case, and a magnetic storage post, making it ideal for home or travel. Global voltage support enhances its portability. The device is especially well suited for users with braces, crowns, implants, or periodontal issues, as the water flosser gently but effectively cleans areas traditional brushing often misses. Its dual-action cleaning makes it easy to stick to a thorough dental care routine. Number 2. Zima Dental Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner. The Zima Dental Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner offers a streamlined and effective solution for anyone looking to maintain the cleanliness of dental appliances like retainers, dentures, and aligners. Using advanced ultrasonic technology at 42,000 Hz, this cleaner emits high-frequency sound waves that create microscopic bubbles. These bubbles reach into even the tiniest cracks and crevices, loosening and lifting away plaque, stains, and bacteria that brushing or soaking alone often miss. One of the biggest advantages of the Zima Dental Cleaner is its simplicity. Just add water, drop in the appliance, and start the cleaning cycle. There's no need for abrasive brushes or harsh cleaning tablets, making it gentle on delicate items while still being incredibly effective. The unit features a modern, minimalist design that fits seamlessly on any bathroom counter and is small enough for travel. Despite its compact size, it performs like a professional-grade cleaner, delivering noticeable results after just one use. For older or heavily stained appliances, multiple cycles are recommended, and Zima Dental provides excellent customer support for those needing help. While this model doesn't offer direct ultrasonic cleaning for teeth or come with multiple cleaning modes or UV light, its performance in cleaning dental gear is exceptional. It's particularly useful for orthodontic patients, denture wearers, and those who use clear aligners daily. The Zima Dental Cleaner emphasizes hygiene, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal all in one device. The lack of complicated buttons or confusing features makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of tech savviness.
Number 3. Midomi Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner. The Midomi Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner takes a high-tech approach to maintaining oral appliances, offering a smart and hygienic way to clean retainers, dentures, aligners, and mouthguards. What sets it apart is its use of innovative ultrasonic cleaning technology that produces high-frequency micro-vibrations, generating tiny bubbles that penetrate deep into hard-to-reach areas. This ensures a full 360-degree clean that removes stubborn buildup, grease, and debris without causing surface scratches or damage. With 2 cleaning modes, 5-minute daily clean and 10-minute deep clean, users can tailor the cleaning process depending on how dirty the item is. The device is operated with a single button, making it user-friendly and accessible to anyone. One of its standout features is the detachable UV light lid, which adds another level of sanitation by helping eliminate bacteria and odors. This lid can be used independently for other items like baby bottles, jewelry, or keys, enhancing the product's utility. Made from durable ABS plastic and SUS 304 stainless steel, the cleaner is built for longevity, and its compact, quiet design makes it suitable for small spaces or travel. The unit weighs only 0.7 pounds and fits easily into luggage, while its 200 milliliter tank provides ample space for most dental appliances. The package includes everything needed for convenience: tweezers, a mesh basket, USB-C charging cable, adapter, and manual. What's more, there's no need for additional cleaning solutions or tablets, reducing ongoing costs. Number 4. Sonic Pro Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner. The Sonic Pro Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner brings the power of clinical-grade ultrasonic and UV cleaning to your home, specifically designed for dental appliances like retainers, aligners, and dentures. What truly distinguishes this product is its dual cleaning technology, combining ultrasonic waves at an impressive 43,000 Hz with UV sterilization to ensure a deep, hygienic clean. Users can select between 2 cleaning cycles, a 3-minute normal clean or a 5-minute deep clean, offering flexibility for light or heavy buildup. The beauty of this device is its no-hassle operation. There's no need for scrubbing, tablets, or chemicals. Just add water, insert your appliance, and press a button. It operates quietly under 65 dB, making it discreet and suitable for shared living spaces. Designed in the UK with input from dental professionals, this cleaner offers both performance and reliability. The UV light function is especially appreciated by users wanting an extra level of sterilization without effort. The modern design blends seamlessly with bathroom decor and won't take up unnecessary counter space.
Number 5. AFANSO Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner. The AFANSO Ultrasonic Tooth Cleaner is a heavy-duty, feature-rich solution designed to deliver top-tier cleaning for dental appliances such as mouthguards, dentures, toothbrush heads, and even jewelry. It boasts a 50 Hz ultrasonic frequency powered by its proprietary Sonic Pure technology, offering 20% more cleaning intensity than standard 42 kHz models. This enhanced power allows for faster and more effective removal of plaque, bacteria, and stains. One of the most practical design elements is its detachable stainless steel tank, which makes cleaning and maintenance easy while reducing any risk of electric shock. Accessories such as a tray and tweezers are included, enhancing usability. Despite its powerful performance, the device operates quietly and fits well on bathroom countertops. Its modern look and well-engineered functionality make it a standout for anyone needing a high-performance ultrasonic cleaner at home. Perfect for orthodontic patients, athletes using mouthguards, or denture wearers, the AFANSO cleaner brings lab-level results to the convenience of your daily routine. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.